Okay, tonight's meal is going to be pan-seared steaks with a stroganoff sauce. We've got the rump steak, we've got some masala, some extra virgin olive oil. We serve with the pasta, Worcester, garlic, paprika, mustard, tomato paste, sliced onions, porcini mushrooms, normal mushrooms, sliced, parsley, sour cream, and it's going to be served with the side of green beans. So the recipe and the method will be in the description. Hope you enjoy. Okay, first step is to saute the garlic and the onions. You put the onions in first and then you put the garlic in because you don't want to overcook the garlic because it'll burn. Once the onion and garlic are browned, as you can see there, they've been removed from the pan, and in the same pan we put the mushrooms and the porcini mushrooms. And then we're going to toss those for about 5 minutes until they're soft, and then they'll be put into the bowl on the side whilst we cook the steak. Okay, then we take our well-seasoned steaks, and always bring a steak to room temperature before you fry it, otherwise it doesn't cook as well and it'll be cold in the middle. And as you can see here, we've got the mushrooms with the onions waiting, and we've got the actual beans simmering away, and we're going to cook them for around about 4 or 5 minutes on each side, so we've got a nice medium rare steak. Okay, and now that's the pan juices after the steaks have been cooked. We add some masala, let that reduce, and then we're going to add the stock from the mushrooms, so get a nice sauce happening. And then we're going to add the other ingredients, which is the mustard, the tomato paste, paprika and sour cream, and obviously the Worcestershire sauce, and we'll come back when we're closer to putting it all together. Okay, now the paprika, the tomato paste, the mustard, the Worcestershire sauce, also known as Worcester. If you haven't guessed tonight, we've also got a guest chef, which is Mrs. Nick, doing stuff. She wanted to get in on the action. Couldn't have me just doing it by myself. So as you can see there, giving it a good mix, getting nice and thick. We've got the mushrooms waiting to go back in. The beans are ready. Steaks are resting. Then we add the sour cream. Mrs. Nick is now mixing it all through. And then we're going to add the mushrooms back in and the onions, give it a good warm through, and then start the service process. Correct, Mrs. Nick? Thank you. Now we've added the mushrooms and the onions back into the sauce. So it's almost like a gravy. And start the plating process. Steaks, pasta, some beans, and then nape the sauce over the steaks. There you have the finished product. Looking awesome. Bon appetit, everyone.